Hello and welcome back to Smart Consumer Finds, where we bring you the best product recommendations, hidden gems, and budget-friendly deals to help you shop smarter and save more. Today, we're going to take a look at the Eureka NEU181D PowerSpeed Lightweight Upright Vacuum Cleaner, a budget-friendly yet powerful option for your home cleaning needs. Weighing only 10 pounds, this vacuum offers serious suction power while remaining light and easy to maneuver, ideal for multi-room cleaning without the fatigue. What sets the Eureka NEU181D apart is its multi-surface capability, thanks to 5 height adjustment settings. Whether you're tackling thick carpets or smooth hardwood floors, this vacuum adapts for optimized performance. The extra-large 2.6-liter dust cup means fewer trips to the trash can, allowing for longer uninterrupted cleaning sessions. If you're a pet owner, this vacuum is a game-changer. It includes an onboard pet turbo tool, crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool, giving you everything you need to clean hair and dander from virtually any surface, floor to furniture. Storage is a breeze too, with all tools fitting neatly on the vacuum. Maintenance is minimal, the filters are washable, and the bagless design cuts down on recurring costs. Just be mindful of the brush roll. Clean it every 2 weeks to prevent clogs and extend your vacuum's life. Overall, the Eureka NEU181D PowerSpeed offers exceptional value, especially for pet owners or anyone needing a reliable vacuum for different floor types. It's a smart investment that blends power, portability, and practicality. For more information about the Eureka NEU181D PowerSpeed Upright Vacuum Cleaner, check out the link in the description box. Thanks for watching.